Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, my mom just got me this. I can't spin it that well, but I can do some tricks with this fidget spinner. I can do that. I dropped it. I can do it on my middle finger, not that well though. I should show my phone. Okay. Now I could just do a time test, but that would take too long, and I don't know how to fast forward. So I can just get this. Okay, ready? I'm trying to do other tricks, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do, so I'm gonna put you guys right here. It might be terrible lighting, but who cares? I can switch hands. I can't do that. I got it on my nose, bros. Now I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I lost 1 sub, and I mean that's fine, but whoever it is, yeah, no, I'm chist. Now this is actually pretty good. The bearings are a little bit bad, and my mom got it from Ocean State for $4, like $3.99, and I can pop the caps out. There we go. So these are the caps. So what came with it was 2 caps, like right here, like that, and then 4 bearings and the fidget spinner itself. I don't know if I can take the bearings out. Might not be able to. I can take the middle one out. And the middle one has like no other bearings. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like little circles in it. So now it is from Ocean State, so I'm not too sure if it's that bad. But this is decent. It's decent. Spins pretty well. At least I got one. Now, my friend Twin Money, you can go check him out in the description below. He also should be getting a fidget spinner today. I'm not too sure. So he's either going to get it May 1st or today. But I don't know if he got it today because I don't know if he's recording a video. And also, if you haven't... And also, you can go check out Marcsnipers' channel. He only has 4 videos, but 17 subs makes no sense. I literally got, what, 10 videos, maybe even more, like 15, and I have 9? Like, whose man is this? I'm so happy, though. Like, I can even spin it with this finger. Switch. Switch. So I can't do it with my pinky. I'll balance it on my pinky. Wait. Spinning first. Oh shoot! Oh! I did it on my pinky. Okay, I gotta spin it right here. Oh, that's my pinky. Oh, that's my pinky. So. You guys, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I don't know if you can hear all that, like, noise. But if you can hear that, it's all because the bearings in the middle have, like, little spaces. You obviously can't see it, but it has, like, little spaces, like, in the middle of the bearing, like, the little circle part, like where my finger is right here. But, yeah. I am also getting, I don't know when I'm getting them. I might get them on like Thursday or something, because they're coming all the way from China. I don't know if both of them are. Probably both are. But I'm getting a green one, and like a light blue one, like a teal color. And I have the green one is glow in the dark. So, and con, like I said at school, a twin money. Like I said at school, you don't spin it like this. This is how you get like maximum speed, but like you flick it like this. So you put one finger here and you just flick. Like it doesn't work as well. You need like power. So like I can't do it. That's why I'm just spinning it like this. I'm gonna practice even more on doing it like this. I'm gonna practice like putting it. Oh shoot! I'm gonna practice putting it on my nose as well. So. Is that bearing out? Oh, no. Not bearing them. I'm going to try and put it on my nose again. Yes, I did it. It's hitting my eyes though. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's in frame. Boom. Those are the tricks I can do. So I can put it on my nose. I can do one finger. I can switch it and do that. Not for long though, so I can just do that. I can switch. I can do two fingers. I can't do that. I need to work on that. So you like spin it. Oops. Hit the camera. So like it's spinning as fast as you can. You throw it up in the air while it's still spinning, and then you catch the middle. That's actually really hard. And these actually probably would spin for 2 minutes. But the 2 ones are better. Maybe the 3 ones too. So if you get those ones, they'll probably spin for about 2 minutes and almost 3 minutes. Like 2 minutes and 54 seconds or something. Maybe like 50 or something. I don't know. But if you get these ones, these are actually pretty decent. And I had like a Batman one, which was terrible. Literally. It would spin like this. Not even like that. It would just spin like this. And then stop. And not even like 10 seconds. This one, yo, it's satisfying. It's obviously not glow in the dark. Like if you spin it really fast, like as fast as you can actually see it like stop and go back that way. Or whatever other way you spin it. So I'm just going to wait. So far this is actually at 9 minutes. I don't know how I'm sitting here. Ah, shoot. Also, people do this. Ow. I can't spin it. Well, that is tricks. Not even tricks, like just telling you and updating you on, like I just got a fidget spinner like what? I don't know. Like I can't even check. Like I got it like 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. But if there is any more, I could have got a yellow one, but I was not with my mom, because she was at work, and then she just got like the best color because she knows I don't like yellow, like, nah. So she just got me a white one, and pretty decent, but yeah, tell me like any other tricks that I can do that you know, put down in the comments below, and help me get to at least 15 subs by 2 months. 2 months. Because I know you guys obviously shouldn't, like, I lost a sub. No big deal. If I lose a lot of subs, then yeah, big deal. But you can go check out my friend Twin Money and Marcsnipers and Twin Money 21. Twin Money 21 has about 25 subscribers. I'm not too sure. I haven't checked yet. And Marcsnipers has 17 or 18. I haven't checked him either. But yeah, go check them out. Yeah. So that is gonna wrap up today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.